Hello, this video is to show you how to set up your practice-ready ePortfolio. I will be going through the practice-ready ePortfolio guidelines to show you how to create your practice-ready ePortfolio, how to upload and link assignments, and how to share your ePortfolio link with your faculty. The purpose of the Practice Ready ePortfolio is an electronic repository that is created by you as part of the assignments in select nursing courses. The Practice Ready ePortfolio will provide a single location for you to store required assignments and reflect on your progress towards mastering the knowledge and skills required to be practice ready. To set up your ePortfolio, you will start on the dashboard for your Chamberlain University courses. Next, you will click Account and then ePortfolio. In this area, you will see all the ePortfolios that you have created. You can create multiple ePortfolios. We are going to start to create our ePortfolio by clicking the Create ePortfolio button. We are going to change the name to Practice Ready ePortfolio. Next, do not select the Make It Public option. However, if you do, I will show you how to change that later in the video. For that sake, I will be clicking the Make It Public option. Then finally, click the Make ePortfolio button. The next step is to create sections in your ePortfolio. We start creating sections using the Organize Section option under the home link on the left of the page. The first thing we're going to do is rename the Home section to About Me. Select the gear icon, then select Rename. Change Home to About Me, and then select Done Editing. The next step is to add the rest of the sections that are listed in your guidelines. To do this, you will click the Organize Sections, Add Section, and then type the name of the first section. Once you have done that, you can hit the Return button to save. Then continue on to add the remaining sections as named in the ePortfolio guidelines. I'm going to explain each section to you. The first section is the About Me page, which is the home page. This is the first page people will see when they arrive at your site. This section should be very brief, 150 to 300 words, yet descriptive. It should set the tone for your site and provide users with a quick view into the content philosophy of your work. Your NR 103 final assignments will be linked in this section. The next section is Course Exam Strengths and Opportunities Report. This will contain a copy of Course Exam Strengths and Opportunity Reports for all courses with a course exam. The next section is Clinical Judgment CJE Open Check Strengths and Opportunities Report. This contains a copy of Course Clinical Judgment Exam Open Check Strength and Opportunity Reports for all courses with a CJE Open Check. Then, the next section is Clinical Judgment Exam CJE Open Check Relearning Assignments. This section contains a copy or link of Course CJE Open Check Relearning Assignments for all courses with a CJE Open Check. The fifth section is Clinical Judgment Exam CJE Strengths and Opportunities Report. This contains a copy of core CJE benchmark exam strengths and opportunities reports for all courses with a clinical judgment exam. The sixth section is Clinical Judgment Exam CJE Relearning Assignments. This contains a copy or link to Course Clinical Judgment Exam CJE Relearning Assignments for all courses with clinical judgment exams. Section 7 is Clinical Judgment Plan of Care Templates. This contains copies of the Clinical Judgment Plan of Care templates for relearning assignments. Section 8 is Affirming NCLEX Readiness 1 assignment. This contains a copy or link to the NCLEX Readiness 1 assignment in Adult Health 2. The final section is Affirming NCLEX Readiness 2 assignment, and this contains a copy or link to the NCLEX Readiness assignment in the capstone course. When you're done creating your sections, click on the Done Editing button. The next part is maintaining your practice-ready ePortfolio. In any course that includes the practice-ready ePortfolio, supporting documents should be added to the correct sections as they become available. For example, as soon as the course Strengths and Opportunities report is available after a course exam, download the report and add it to the Course Strengths and Opportunities Reports section. Now I will show you how to create new pages in your practice-ready ePortfolio. To do this, you'll click on the section that you will have the page added to. We're going to use the Course Exam Strengths and Opportunities Report section. Once you're in this section, click Organize, Manage Pages. Then you will see a page named New Page. You can rename this first page by clicking on the cogwheel and then clicking Rename. I'm going to rename this first page NR 226. Once you are done, click Done Editing twice. You can add additional pages by again clicking on Organize Manage Pages and then click Add Another Page. Once you do that, you can rename the new page any course number that you need. At this point, you can either add another page or you can click Done Editing again to finish editing your pages. In this next part, I'm going to show you how to upload a file to the practice-ready ePortfolio. First thing you'll do is click on the desired section of the ePortfolio. So for example, we're going to use Course Exam Strengths and Opportunities Report again. We're going to click on the appropriate course page to upload the report or assignment. Then we will click Edit this page. Now you will choose the file you wish to upload and then click Select Upload File. As an example, I'm going to click Concept Maps as my assignment to upload. I'll click on the Concept Map assignment. Then I will click Upload Assignment and save the page. Now I'll show you how to link an assignment to your practice-ready ePortfolio. To do this, again, we're going to click on the appropriate section in the ePortfolio. This time we're going to use Clinical Judgment Exam Open Check Relearning Assignments. You're going to click on the appropriate course page in this section. So I will create a page for this section. Then choose Edit this page. And this time we're going to click Course Submission and then choose the appropriate course Clinical Judgment Exam Relearning Assignment to embed in this page. Once you have found that assignment, click Select Submission and save the page at the bottom. You'll see in my example, I'm going to use an assignment from one of my classes. We'll pretend this is your relearning assignment. Click on this, then click Select Submission, and then Save Page. You can see now that any of the documents that I uploaded into the gradebook for this assignment have now been embedded into the ePortfolio. This assignment only had one attachment, but if this assignment had 3 or 5 or even more, all of those documents from the assignment would embed onto this page. In this final section, I'm going to show you how to share your practice-ready ePortfolio. You'll navigate to your practice-ready ePortfolio and then click on your practice-ready ePortfolio. There are 2 ways to share your ePortfolio link. If it's public, then what you'll want to do is copy the website page in the address field, as shown in this pop-up. However, it's better if your ePortfolio is set to private. To do that, in the middle of your page, you will see that there is a statement that says your ePortfolio is public, and there is a link below it that you can click. Click this link, uncheck the selection to make your ePortfolio public. Click Update, and then refresh your screen. To share your URL ePortfolio with your faculty, there is a copy and share link underneath where it says your ePortfolio is private. Share this website address with your faculty. This is how your faculty members will have access to your ePortfolio for grading purposes. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other questions, please reach out to your faculty. Thank you.